Take your blending experience to the next level this year by adding the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro blender to your countertop. This elite blender comes equipped with a commercial-grade 3.5 peak horsepower motor, the most powerful motor ever in Cuisinart blenders. Commercial-grade power combined with one-touch function make the Hurricane Pro your simple solution for creating creamy nut butters, crushing ice, and blending consistent smoothies. The ultra-large 64-ounce BPA-free Tritan jar provides stability and comfort when blending large amounts of the toughest ingredients. Exclusive BlendLogix operating technology and automatic load sensing capability means this smart blender knows when to adjust blending power for preset functions that never miss the mark. Use any of the default pre-programmed functions for crushing ice, making smoothies, preparing hot soups, or cleaning. Or use the memory function to adjust the pre-programmed settings to your preference for recipes you make frequently. The variable speed control allows you to customize your blending speed from 3,000 to 25,000 RPMs, and the Turbo Burst function takes the commercially designed 6-prong stainless steel blades to their maximum 30,000 RPMs to obliterate your toughest ingredients. Where other blenders are aided in their toughest assignments, the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro rips through seeds and nuts for tamperless operation. The tight seal lid comes with a removable 2-ounce measuring cup and allows liquids to be added directly into the blender jar when in operation. The Hurricane Pro comes with a 10-year warranty, and its refined gunmetal finish ensures this powerful blender impresses not only in operation, but in style. Pulverizing power, ultra versatility, and consistent blending results are just a few of the reasons to treat your kitchen to an upgrade this year by adding the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro to your countertop.